Everyone should have a recipe for simple whole roasted chicken in their back pocket. The All Recipes member who submitted this one comments, "The combination of unique ingredients make this chicken dish delicious. It roasts beautifully and is surprisingly fast once it's in the oven. Keep in mind that you'll need to rub the chicken with the spice rub 24 hours before you're ready to cook it. You'll need a 4-pound whole chicken. In a small bowl, prepare a spice rub. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/8 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix these spices together. Then rub the chicken all over with the spice mixture. Transfer the chicken to a bowl and cover it. And place it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Before you're ready to cook the chicken, preheat your oven to 500 degrees. Peel and crush 5 cloves of garlic. Place the chicken, breast side down, on a rack in a roasting pan, and put the garlic in the cavity. Roast the chicken for 15 minutes in the preheated oven. Reduce the temperature to 450 degrees and continue roasting for another 15 minutes. Baste the chicken with the pan drippings. Then reduce the heat to 425 degrees and continue roasting for 30 more minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 180 degrees. Let the chicken stand for 20 minutes before serving. One All Recipes member notes, "I served this with the chimichurri sauce I found on All Recipes, and I can't get enough. Plus, the leftovers are fantastic for sandwiches, salads, and Mexican dishes."